Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how we configure NIC or network interface card theme in our Windows server. As you can see, here is the scenario. I have my uh, physical machine that have multiple network interface card. In this demo, I teach you on to combine this network card together. It's talking about NIC theme is a good feature that it helps us to combine multiple network or network card together. So let's say is for example this port is failed, so the Ethernet tool will take over. Okay, so it is very good for the NIC team. As an IT administrator, you have to configure on that. For the NIC team or NIC team, it provides two essential benefits: it bandwidth and redundancy. It's talking about bandwidth. It will be combined speed together, and redundancy. I think everyone already know. Let's say is one is fail, another one is takeover. Okay. So to do this, now here is my server. You need to go to the server manager. Okay, and in here you go to your local server A1, and then you find the NIC team. Okay, and then you click here. If the default is disabled, you have to enable it. Okay, after you enable it, you can see here. Here I have two network. Okay, Ethernet 1 and Ethernet 2. I can go back. Okay, to see here Ethernet 1, Ethernet and Ethernet 3. You can also go here and see, okay, Ethernet and Ethernet 3. I run on Hyper-V to demo for you. Okay, so I click on here, and what we need to do is we go to task and we add new theme. Okay, task and add new theme. Okay, so here you have to specify your theme name, like I put theme, okay, NIC theme, just like that. Okay, this one you can put any name, and then if you have more than two network card, you can click all. Here I have only two. Okay, and then you click OK. But I also want to show you this one also additional property, because this one it based on it feature, it has many functions. This one I will let it default, so it will be work, but I just want to go through on it is theme mode. In fact, theme mode it has another feature, but this one is already disabled for me because I run on the Hyper-V. It also has another tool like LACP, that is calling application control protocol. This one is enable you for load balancing, and it also has the statistic for this one. And the other one is load balancing mode. This one it have another feature like address hash. It's talking about the address hash. It refer to the base IP address, okay, or the combination of the IP address. For this one, I will let it default. It also have like the Hyper-V port, or if you run on VMware, it also have for that. Okay, and this one for the standby mode. For the standby mode adapter, this one it also have like you can use, for example, I have two. Is I want Ethernet 3 standby, and then I put only like Ethernet 1 is active. Okay, this one I don't do that. I need to make them all are active. Okay, so I want to be more clear, you can go through more about team mode and also load balancing mode, because in here it also have another three options that we can choose: dynamic, Hyper-V port, or address hash. Okay, so for me I left it default. Click OK. Okay, and then it's saving, so it just fade. Now our network card is in the process of combination. Okay, just wait. Okay, you just wait everyone, because this one I remote, so that's why when it do something or configure something, it disconnect. Now it's back. You see, now this one you just also wait like 30 seconds or less than 1 minute. Okay, now you see all the NIC team is active. Okay, to see I can go to my local nature, and then okay, you can refresh local nature. Okay, and refresh it. You see now NIC team is enabled, and currently you see it's net 1, it's net 2, right? Okay, now it already combined. This set NIC team, the name that I put. You can go. You see here, it's net 1 or it's net 2 or it's net 3, and here is the NIC team. Let I go to property. This one will be blank. Okay, yeah. I go to here also. This one also blank, but for NIC team, it's not blank. You can set the static IP here, everyone. Your server static IP you can add here, but in this demo I will be let it dynamic. Okay, I don't do it. Okay, but for you as practice, you have to put the static it can be. Okay, okay, and then I go to test for you. Let's say it's one adapter is fair. Okay, you see. Now let's see is one the adapter is fair. I'm going to disable. I'm going to disable like. Okay, I'm going to disable this. For example, I disable one network. Okay, very big. Because this one I'm remoting, so that's why when it have connection change, it will be try to attempt the connection back for this one. But if I work on my physical machine, it won't be that. Yeah. Okay. So I just want to show you as well about this one. Okay, as you can see, yeah, as you can see, even though I disable this one, and when it try to reconnect, okay, uh, our like we can say our server is still available. Okay, okay. So that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you find these videos useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.